Hi, my name is Eli Macias. Today I'm presenting my Solving Sustainability project, focusing on the product line merchandiser department. I'll cover where product line merchandiser sits in the fashion supply chain, the environmental and human impacts related to this role, and three strategies to create measurable, sustainable improvements. The fashion textile value chain overview. The fashion value chain can be understood through a full product life cycle, from raw materials to end of life. Each stage carries its own environmental and social impacts. This overview helps show how decisions made early in the process, especially by merchandisers, influence outcomes all the way to disposal. Key environmental and human pressures. Fashion carries heavy environmental burdens, especially during dyeing, fabric finishing, and production logistics. Human rights risks appear in factories, but also upstream, in farms, and in mills. These pressures set the context for why sustainability strategies must be integrated into merchandising. Where the PLM fits in the supply chain. The PLM role touches multiple stages: planning the collection, choosing materials, and determining order volumes. These decisions influence materials used, factory selection, production speed, and ultimately the amount of waste created. Because PLMs shape both design and distribution, they impact most sustainability outcomes. Human and environmental impacts driven by PLM. The PLMs may unintentionally drive environmental and human harm when prioritizing cost, speed, or trend volume. Overproduction is one of the biggest impacts, and the lead time pressure can be worsened factory working conditions. Understanding these impacts is the first step towards solving them. Root causes and upstream, downstream effects. Many sustainability problems come from how the system is structured. Trend cycles and cost pressure creates ripple effects, hurting farm workers upstream and causing waste downstream. PLMs can influence both ends by choosing better materials and planning more efficient assortments. Strategy 1: Life cycle aligned product planning. Strategy 1 focuses on reducing overproduction and guiding assortment planning with life cycle data. Using LCA tools early helps avoid high-impact materials. SKU reduction cuts waste and costs. Evergreen programs reduce the pressure of overhaul styles every season. Strategy 2: Supplier sustainability partnerships. Strategy 2 focuses on materials and suppliers. Certifications help ensure ethical, lower impact materials. Tools like BlueSign and the Hague FEM reveal water, chemical, and energy impacts at the factory level. Building long-term partnerships encourages mills to innovate with the brand. Strategy 3: Human rights and labor due diligence. Strategy 3 brings human rights directly into PLM decisions. Rather than relying on only compliance teams, merchandisers take responsibility for ensuring factories are safe and fairly paid. Transparent suppliers lists and responsible purchasing policies reduce the pressure that causes labor violations. Measuring progress KPIs. KPIs make progress clear and measurable. Tracking material certifications, carbon emissions, SKU count, and supplier audit scores gives transparency. This prevents sustainability from becoming a nice to have. Instead, it becomes part of the PLM performance. Implementation and reporting structure. This implementation plan makes sustainability visible across teams. Dashboards, supplier scoreboards, and public ESG reporting create accountability. Over time, PLM decisions become fully integrated with environmental and labor progress. This concludes my presentation. These are my references. Thank you for your time.